how to verify Faceit accounts. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can verify your Faceit account. So first of all, you have to click on your new browser tab and search for faceit.com, and after that you have to log into your account. And after logging in, you can see here a option of your profile, and you just have to simply click on account settings after that. And after clicking on account settings, as you can see, this is the account option, and second is the verification option. So it says join the battle against smurfs and compete with confidence against real accounts. So it says verification locked, ID verified is only available for players who connected OW2, CS2 or Dota 2 games. So if we connected these games, then we can verify it. And after you connect these links, you just need to uh, follow some instruction, like the steps will guide you through taking a selfie and scanning your ID or using the facial recognition system. And you have to, once you have successfully completed the steps, your account will be verified. So you just also need to select either document capture, which requires scanning your ID, or face capture, that will come soon or is still on the way. So that's how you verify your Faceit account. So that's it for today. See you on the next one.